Vicky?
Hmm.
Hey you Vicky, it's the 10th day of the month today. And you still have not paid me the rent. And even the last month's rent is pending. When are you giving me?
I'll give it to you, sister-in-law. Am I running somewhere? I am in search of a new job. As soon as I get this job, I will repay your all money.
You're hunting a good job from last 2 months. But till date you haven't got a good job. God knows when you will get a good job. And when will I get my rent?
Don't worry, sister-in-law. I'll get it very soon. You don't take any tension. Please give me some time, please.
Me? Why will I worry? It's you who should be worried. If I don't get rent till the next 10 days, then I'm going to pack all your bags and throw you out. Got it?
Okay, sister-in-law. Okay. Rakesh. Yes, Rakesh, tell. Yes, brother, where are you? Come fast. Come, let's meet. Don't you remember we have an interview today? Interview? Are you mad? What are you saying, brother? I'm standing outside your house. Wait, I'm coming inside. Yes, please come inside. Come fast. Okay. Oh shit, this sister-in-law is making my life chaotic. What should I do? I'll have to find a job very soon. Or else she'll throw me out. This sister-in-law. Or brother, how are you? Why you are so tense, brother? Brother, that my Rekha owner. She's troubling me. Rent. I said her when I'll get a job, I'll repay you. But she's coming every day and troubling me. And you are also like this? You are at home every day. Drink beer, go for party, go outside, then only you'll get job. My life is already in trouble and you are talking about parties? So listen, take care of her. But what do I do? Listen, I have an idea. What idea? Let's go. Sister-in-law.
Yes?
Sister-in-law. Please come here. Please take some sweets.
Why are you yelling that much?
Sister-in-law, there is good news. Do you know I got a job? And do you know the salary?
How much?
30,000 rupees. Please take this sweet.
I always knew that you will definitely get a good
Isn't
job.
it?
That's why I never used to trouble you for the rent.
Sister-in-law, this is all because of your support. Please take another sweet.
By the way, the sweets are delicious. You got it from the Chandu sweet shop, right?
Yes, sister-in-law. You are right. Sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. You needed money. Money, huh? I'll give you money now. Now see what I'll do with you every day. Money. Every day you were troubling me for that. You didn't let me leave peacefully. You didn't let me leave peacefully. You needed money.
Huh? dare you, bastard? First of all, you didn't pay the rent, and then you have done this shameless act with me. Didn't you feel ashamed to do such cheap things with me?
Shame. I really enjoyed it. Really. While you were unconscious, you gave me so much fun. While you will be conscious, you'll give me so... Ah.
Wait, now I will teach you a lesson. I'm going to call the cops right now.
Yes, please. Call. I have nothing to fear. But you have something to fear. What people will say. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sister-in-law, please tell me.
Rakesh, I wanted to talk something important to you.
And today, how do you remember me?
Rakesh,
Yes, please.
actually your friend has done extremely wrong with me.
What?
He gave me drugs mixed with the sweets.
Okay.
He feeded me that and
And then, sister?
some of my
And then?
videos he has made and kept.
Oh.
So, will you help me in that?
Help? Help?
Yes, Rakesh, help.
What kind of help? Please tell me, sister-in-law.
Actually,
Please tell me.
I want his phone
Okay.
so that I will be able to delete all the videos.
Okay. Your work will be done. But what will I get after that?
You. What he did with me when I was unconscious, that I will do when I'm conscious
Yes, sister-in-law.
with you, just for
Huh?
you. And you will be extremely aroused.
Really?
But for that, you'll have to get my work done.
What?
Are you ready for it?
Madam, you don't know me till now.
Sure, right? Will you be able to do
Yes.
that?
That depends on me. I'll get the mobile to you.
Okay, then go and get me the phone.
Okay, I'll get it right now.
Till when you'll get it? Today, right?
Okay, done.
I'll be waiting.
Sister-in-law, I have got that mobile with that video.
Okay, then give me quickly. Give.
Why are you so in hurry? First, let us do our work.
Your work will be done for sure. First, let me confirm that. Does that phone has my video or he has uploaded it anywhere? Please give me fast.
Huh? Why did you break the phone?
I have just broken the phone. If you don't go from here right now, then I will break you as well. Now get lost from here.
And my reward?
Which deal, you bastard? Now get lost from here. You think you will sleep with me? Get out.
Sister-in-law, sorry.
Bastard, he thinks he'll sleep with me. He was trying to act smart with me. Thank God I deleted the video. I won't do this mistake again.